And welcome back to On the Workbench. Today we're taking a look at this wheel stud installer tool from Lisle, number 22800. And so this is a simple tool that's just a touch under 15 bucks, but to me seems like it's a worthwhile tool to have. I don't have a specific need for it at the moment, but I've noticed my local auto parts stores, none of them seem to stock this, that in the event that I need to replace a wheel stud, this just looks like it'd be a really dandy, helpful tool. And so what this is this basically mimics your rim. So if you need to put on a new wheel stud, you'd knock it out of the back of your hub and then at least get it set from the back. And then on the back side of this here is a bearing that would go right up against your hub, and then take a lug nut or have an extra lug nut on the side that matches your vehicle and then plug it in here like this, and then just crank away on your impact gun, and this will act like the rim in between, and it'll just snug up your stud all the way into your wheel hub. And then you can just pull your impact gun off of that, pull this off, and then on goes your wheel. And this avoids you damaging your rim or having to mess with throwing your tire on and getting in between. Simple, easy tool, fits in the palm of your hand, no problem. The only issue here is obviously there's a bearing here, and I wish this were sealed up a little bit better. And so this, you may want to put this in a little plastic bag just to keep that bearing a little bit cleaner. I wish that was sealed up a little bit better, but I think the job will obviously do its job. And in my case here, I'm not replacing wheel studs all the time. If you worked in a tire shop, this would easily be an essential tool that you'd want to have. But for me, it's basically a get out of jail free card in case I were to accidentally have a broken wheel stud, and none of my auto parts dealers locally seem to stock this. What seems like it's just a genius tool to have. So for 15 bucks, to me it's worth it. If you're interested, I'll put a link below on Amazon. Those links help to support this channel. And if you found this video useful and interesting, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you back here on another video. Have a great day. Bye.